Hello friends, are you fed up of changing companies? Are you fed up with the current management of your company? Are you fed up with sitting home in lockdowns? Are you looking for a full-time career? Or you are looking for a part-time good income? If you are a student, housewife, businessman, employed, unemployed, senior citizen, if any of these points matches you, so this video is absolutely for you. Yes friends, welcome to Tusson Trade Enterprises. We work like a family and every family members get benefited in various ways. No one should feel left out. No one should have inferior complex. No one should feel unsecured. No one should feel opportunity missed. Everyone earns something. Thus your investments gives you unparalleled results. This is one way of making lives worth living. Let's see how the system works. Step 1. Register for free. Step 2. Refer and grow. Step 3. Purchase your products. Step 4. Get new opportunities. Our unique product. Now currently we are giving 4 different options of premium instant stick wholesale pack. Buy membership from 1000 rupees. Working opportunity. Get 50% off on every direct referral sponsored. For example, if Raju have referred John with 1000 rupees membership, so Raju receives 500 rupees. Similarly, if Raju have referred second member with 5000 rupees, so Raju gets 2500 rupees. Second income is instant matching, which is also 50%. For example, if Sam has referred his friend on left side with 1000 rupees and another friend with 1000 rupees, so Sam receives 500 plus 500 as referral income and also 500 extra as matching income. Your instant matching income has a wide range of capping. In 1000 rupees ID, you get 3000 capping. Similarly, on 2000, you get 6000 capping. On 3000, you get 9000. On 4000, you get 12,000. On 5000, you get 15,000. Now you enter Club 2. Upgrade by 6000 rupees and get 18,000 capping. On 7000, get 21,000. On 8000, get 24,000. On 9000, get 27,000. On 10,000, get 30,000. Similarly, it's 3x capping on matching bonus only. Company thinks that every day can be a good day and every moment can be a great moment. So company gives you immediate payment option by IMPS with API system. Yes, it's true. You can transfer your profit anytime 24/7. Yes friends, it's 365-day working API, no time bonding, no limits bonding. Terms and conditions. Number 1. Company will provide GST bill on every purchase. Number 2. 2 direct is compulsory for instant matching. Number 3. You can earn unlimited referral with no capping. Number 4. Shipping charge is applicable. Number 5. You can work on multiple clubs at a time. Number 6. Amount to be deposited in company account only. Number 7. Maximum 3 IDs can be created on one PAN card. For more details, visit website www.tusson5050.com.